If you've ever wondered how to rotate in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to rotate shapes and images on your canvas so you can build cleaner diagrams, flowcharts, and visuals faster. Whether you're adjusting the angle of a single shape, repositioning an image, or just trying to make your layout look more polished, this simple skill saves a lot of time. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Lucidchart document and find the shape or image you want to rotate. Click directly on the object on your canvas so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when a bounding box appears around it. This is important because Lucidchart only shows the rotation controls after an element is active. If you're working with a busy diagram, take a second to click the exact item you want so you don't move the wrong object by mistake. Once the shape is selected, look for the rotation handle. In Lucidchart, this is usually a small circular icon that appears near the top of the bounding box, often at the top left or top center area depending on the object and your view. That little handle is what lets you rotate the element freely. Now click and hold that rotation handle with your mouse. While holding it down, drag your mouse left or right to turn the shape. As you move, you'll see the object rotate in real time, which makes it easy to stop at the exact angle you want. If you need a slight tilt for a custom layout, just make small movements until it looks right. If you want a sharper or more dramatic angle, continue dragging farther until you reach the position you want. When the shape is aligned correctly, simply release your mouse to lock in the angle. That's it, your object is now rotated. If you need to rotate multiple elements, repeat the same process one item at a time. Click the next shape, find the rotation handle, and drag it into place. This works really well for organizing diagrams, creating directional flow, or making design elements fit more naturally on the page. A helpful tip is to zoom in if you need more precision. That makes it easier to place shapes at exact angles without over-rotating them. Also, if you accidentally rotate the wrong item, just click away and try again. Lucidchart makes it simple to adjust until it looks perfect. So to quickly recap, select the shape, find the rotation handle, drag to rotate, and release when you're happy with the angle. It's a small feature, but once you know it, it makes editing in Lucidchart much easier and much faster. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next one.